Welcome to Shobha International City, situated in Sector 109 and Sector 106. It's the most coveted villa address, right at the edge of Delhi. This is our show villa, which is of 500 square yard, 7330 square feet, saleable built-up area. As we enter, we have a patio over here, which is 7 feet 1 inch into 6 feet 11 inch. Then we have an internal foyer of 6 feet 9 inch and 10 feet 9 inch. As you can see, this is the living room of 17 feet 7 inch and 17 feet 7 inch. Superior quality natural engineered stone and tile flooring are used over here. Walls and ceilings have plastic emulsion paint. Now we enter the dining area, which is of 13 feet by 14 feet 7 inch. As you can see, this is actually a double heighted dining area. Moving inside, we have a kitchen over here on our right. This kitchen is 14 feet 3 inch by 11 feet. Natural and engineered store tiles are used for the flooring of the kitchen. Walls are of superior quality ceramic tile dado up to ceiling. Fittings and fixtures are chromate plated fittings, exhaust fans and hot water supply. Then we enter the utility area, which is 6 feet 11 inch by 6 feet 6 inch. Utility room has ceramic fly flooring, plaster emulsion paint on walls. Then we have a utility room over here, which is 6 feet 11 inch into 6 feet 5 inch. Now this is the toilet area, which is 6 feet 11 inch into 4 feet 1 inch. Then we have some greenery over here. So it is the rear lawn, which is 49 feet 3 inch by 12 feet 9 inch. So we have another family lounge on the ground floor itself, which is of 13 feet by 14 feet 3 inch. As you can see, the view from this rear lounge is amazing. As we can see, a good greenery part over here. So this is the bedroom number 1, which is 12 feet 8 inch into 14 feet 9 inch. This bedroom also has an attached toilet to it, which is 5 feet 9 inch by 9 feet 10 inch. In the bathroom walls, we have used superior quality natural engineered stones and tiles. Flooring, we have superior quality tiles and skirting. The bedroom flooring is of superior quality engineered stone, with walls and ceilings of plastic emulsion paints in the bedrooms. Now here we have a powder room with us. Now the walls are of superior quality natural tiles. Fittings are of a reputable make. Flooring, we have good quality tiles with skirting. Now this is the staircase we have, which is natural engineered stone with glass railing with SS handrail. Here we have a study area which is of 14 feet 11 inch into 11 feet. Now we are entering the bedroom number 2, which is 18 feet 10 inch by 14 feet 9 inch. The amazing view is an add-on with this bedroom. This bedroom is also equipped with a walk-in closet of 13 feet by 6 feet 3 inch. Also, there is attached toilet of 11 feet 1 inch by 6 feet 7 inch. All the fittings used are of a reputable make. This bedroom also comes with a side terrace of 13 feet by 6 feet 10 inch. And the amazing view is an add-on to this terrace. This is the bedroom number 3, which is of 17 feet by 7 inch into 16 feet by 11 inch. Now this bedroom also has a balcony which is of 8 feet 10 inch by 5 feet 1 inch. Now we are entering the walk-in closet, which is of 6 feet 11 inch by 11 feet. Along with that, we have a toilet which is of 8 feet 6 inch by 12 feet 8 inch with additional shower area of 5 feet 7 inch by 5 feet 3 inch. Now this bathrooms comes with a counter of natural stone along with fixtures with a wash basin countertop. Here we have a terrace garden which is of 13 feet by 14 feet 7 inch. You can get also natural grass on this terrace garden. This is bedroom number 4, which is of 17 feet by 7 inch into 16 feet by 11 inch. Superior quality plastic emulsion paint has been used in this bedroom. Now we are entering the walk-in closet, which is of 6 feet 11 inch by 11 feet. With a toilet area of 8 feet 6 inch by 12 feet 8 inch, with additional shower of 5 feet 7 inch by 5 feet 3 inch. Here we have a utility room which is of 6 feet 7 inch by 5 feet 1 inch. On the left side, here we have a gym space which is of 13 feet by 13 feet 2 inch. Laminated wooden flooring is provided in the gymnasium area along with plastic emulsion paint on ceilings and walls. All the doors are shutter doors with masonite skin on both sides. So now we are entering the bedroom number 5, which is of 18 feet by 10 inch into 14 feet by 9 inch. You can see how beautifully this bedroom can be designed. You can see a spectacular view from your bedroom itself. Here we have a walk-in closet which is of 6 feet 7 inch by 5 feet 5 inch. along with a toilet of 7 feet 3 inch by 11 feet. These bathrooms are also equipped with exhaust fan, towel rail, toilet paper holder. Here we are on the terrace area, which is divided into two parts. So which we are seeing over here is terrace part number 1. You can see how beautiful the surroundings are. Now this is the part 2 of the terrace. So we can have 2 gatherings simultaneously. We also have a basement which is of 32 feet 3 inch by 35 feet 11 inch, along with the lobby of 9 feet 2 inch by 5 feet 11 inch. Ample space for a good gathering to enjoy and have a good time.